Thank you for joining me at Tapping with Terri today. Today, as we're coming upon the new year, I wanted to address something that I feel many of us, I know myself, do, as looking over and reflecting over our past year and seeing our accomplishments that we've made for the last year. I actually write every year. I write what my goals and what I would like to affirm and things to achieve through the year. And then at the end of the year, I literally pull them out of the drawer because I file it away. So I'm not looking at it all the time. It's not my vision board. My vision board is other things. And then as that is happening, then I look it over, and it is amazing how many things have been accomplished with that. And that without me even thinking about it, I just knew it was something that I had affirmed and I wanted to do that year got done. With that, there was many times though through the year that I was very overwhelmed and had different health challenges and other things that really seemed to make it quite difficult for me. And with that being said, I found that it was best for me to, I kind of feel like, maybe I should write that again for this year. That was a goal I really wanted to achieve and I didn't. Well, am I going to feel very good about it in that state just by rewriting it? Maybe I need to reaffirm and look at why I did not have it. What is my why that I even wanted it? What is your why is the important to really how things will be created. I found that whatever your why is your drive. It truly is. Now, with that being said, then you'll be able to take it to the next level and go into knowing like, when I'm overwhelmed, I can't think, I can't focus, I don't know. Well, what I'd like for the new year is I'd like to have more peace and have a positive state of mind and be more peaceful. With that being said, then you would actually tap and affirm on that. I would like to enjoy more peace and have a more of a peaceful state of mind. That even though so much of the year I do not accomplish my goals, I wish that I can have accomplished peace and that I will have plenty of peace.